Every day I wash my face and hands, hooray! Splash, splash, scrubbity, now I'm clean and full of glee. Brush my teeth, up and down, brush the top and all around. Morning, night, I do it right, shiny teeth so clean and bright. Before I eat and after play, I wash my hands the proper way, with some soap and water too. Clean hands are good for you. Fruits and veggies help me grow. Carrots, apples, go, go, go. Milk and water help me run. Healthy eating, so much fun. When I'm done with all my toys, I clean up like the girls and boys. Put them back nice and neat. Cleaning up feels like a treat. Time for bed, I close my eyes, say goodnight and rest my sighs. Snuggle in and sleep so deep. Off I go to dreamy sleep. Good habits help me every day, at home, in school, and when I play. Kind and clean, strong and smart, I learn good things with all my heart.